Hey, good evening everyone. Welcome to Onesignal. You can see my channel over there. You can subscribe and visit my blogs. Don't forget to share my contents with other developers. So in this tutorial, we're going to show and set up Onesignal. So in this video, we're going to see the first step of and stage of Onesignal application and the build formalities of Onesignal. So how we can set up Onesignal. So first go to new tab and open any Onesignal, like Onesignal. You can see you type like that, Onesignal, and choose the correct Onesignal link over there and get started. Onesignal is all application that I'm currently working on it. So let's ignore them and press this new app. So if you are integrating this thing with your app, select app, or you can choose more other application extensions like Chrome, Amazon, email, SMS, Windows, etc. So that's why you can choose desired things. Now I'm gonna add Android because I want to implement this thing in my Android application. Name it like one sim. It's done. Next, configure your platform. And these two things really need to continue and configure your SDK. So what those? One is Firebase server key, another one sender key. So for that, you need to copy or paste your Firebase informations there. So how we can get that? Go there and type Firebase. You have Firebase, go there Firebase and get started with Firebase. You can see I already opened Firebase and I already created one project. You can also create project from here. I think it's basic steps so you can do by yourself. So I'm gonna skip it and press cloud message. So here you can see this is a cloud message I already add with my current applications and also added cloud messaging. So how you can use cloud messaging? So simply go over there. You can see the cloud icon. Press it over there, and here you can also create new experiment or new notification. I already built one. You can press new notification and simply create with title text your image URL if you want to, and then optional, and you can press next. Make sure you have the correct package name of your application because unless it don't show you in your Android device. So let's just skip this process because you already know. Now scroll it ever, and here you can see the gear option or the project settings. Press it and simply choose project settings. Here you can see the project settings selected. Here simply move to cloud messaging, and here you can see the server key already generated and also sender key or sender ID. So just simply copy this whole thing, copy over here and paste it here. Already pasted, you can see. And here also the sender ID. Paste it. Now save and continue. Here you can see it's saved. Now configure with native Android or Unity or Flutter or whatever SDK you like to use. Now I would like to go to native Android because I don't have or any UI like Flutter or any kind of extra SDKs. So save and continue. And then you have the install SDK options. You have your app ID, and then you can also check or test the subscribe use and press it done. So you can see there are plenty of options already open, like you can also send email provider, like you can change this API like send grid, mail gun options if you have, and also API key is really valuable and required for configure your email address from Onesignal. Also, you can send your usual SMS, and for this SMS configurations, it needs the account SID. You can easily read those documentations for SMS provider. So in this video, we only talk about setup, not other options. So go back to Onesignal. Here also in dashboard, we already set up everything, like we already set up server key and sender ID. Now we can simply press new push and we can add title, message, upload URL, everything over there. You can see for sending like that one signal. So if I want to show you here in this tutorial, you already have that Onesignal setup, but we don't know about Onesignal before that. And here you can see I also built this kind of application or structure here for typing text message and URL. Also send the push notification, the same thing over there in Onesignal. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And that's all for this night. And yep, subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos. And thank you guys. You guys supported me a lot. We already covered 300 subscribers first. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. This is Moshi Exchange.